Okay, I'm doing a Facebook Live because I was trying to show Brennan stuff and he kept breaking out, so I don't know if he could see me, but if he wants to tune in or if anyone else wants to tune in, this is what the garden is. So, we're on the west side of the yard. This is the banana circle. You can see there's, 20 different banana plants right in front of us. There's no bunches that I see right here, but there are a couple growing. Let's pull over and see one. You can see some bananas up there. Some nopales cactus. This is sunflowers, sugar cane, corn, tomatoes, corns, yams right here. This is yucca, also known as cassava or tapioca. There's another one right there. This is chaya right here. Here's another zucchini hiding out. They're not doing so good. Here's a tiny avocado tree we planted. Christina Thomas started this and gave it to us, and we brought it all the way out here. Some tomato again. This is all just one gangly tomato plant. A little Everglades tomato plant. You can see the tomato in there. I guess I'll go back around this way. We've got all kinds of stuff. This is some kind of ginger. More nopales cactus. More ginger. This is a type of perennial green called longevity spinach. This is yams. Yams growing up a moringa tree. This is moringa. And we'll make our way through here. We got some passion fruit right here. These are mimosas, sensitive plants, I think. They're not closing. Maybe there's something else. Some more of these Mexican sunflowers in this moringa tree. There's a huge patch of some kind of ginger. I don't know what it is, galangal or something. Here's the banana tree from the other side. You can see the flower for the bananas, but the bananas are hidden above that leaf up there, so you can't see them. This is a ground cover that's everywhere called lolot, or pepper leaf. I don't know what a bunch of this stuff is. This is arrowroot. This is some kind of citrus. I think it might be an orange or maybe a lemon. Some fig right here. There's a lot of stuff I don't know what it is. There's a hibiscus plant in here somewhere. I don't see any blooms though. This is a fruit tree called Jamaican strawberry. It's a Florida native. It produces these little berries that are really good. Here's some more of that chaya right here. Some more longevity spinach. There's some raspberries. They produced some fruits earlier this season, but not very many. They're not doing too good. This is called a native lime, although it's not really a lime, but it does taste pretty limey. The leaves do. This here is a kiwi vine. This is a jaboticoba tree, which is a fruit tree from Brazil, and it grows the fruits along the bark, and they can get huge and they produce a lot. You can see one little fruit in there. Let's see if I can show it to you right there. But look it up, jaboticoba. It produces a huge amount. They're kind of like some kind of weird funky grape, but not funky, but just doesn't really taste like a grape. This is a coffee tree. You can see this coffee is actually doing really well. A lot of people say it won't grow well here because it likes higher elevations and it's pretty frost sensitive, and we do get frost occasionally, but this one's doing great. You can see it's loaded up with little cherries. The cherries right here. Coffee. Here's some grapes. I haven't seen them produce. I don't know if they will. Here's a bunch more tomatoes. These are the Everglades tomatoes. They pop up everywhere as volunteers. Here's pineapples. There's kind of pineapples everywhere. This one doesn't have a fruit. I don't know if there is one over here that does, but it's katuk right here. This is a mulberry. It produced some this year, but not very much really. Here's more sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes grow as a ground cover everywhere. Sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. This is more of that pepper leaf. This is Otis. Otis is awesome. Hi, Otis. Yeah. This is a banana that I planted. And I planted it in like January, and it's like 10 feet tall now. It's crazy. It grows so fast. Here's a medley of stuff, some beans mostly. Here's more tomatoes, these Everglades tomatoes. Go ahead and eat one of those. There's lizards everywhere. That's called katuk. It's also a perennial green, it tastes kind of nutty. This is turmeric. More cassava right here. And as I said, I don't even know what most things are. This is a jicama, but there's still plenty of stuff everywhere to show you guys. Let's look at different levels. Here's another spinach. Back to the ground covers. There's some more sweet potatoes. This is a perennial kind of cucumber that grows everywhere. It's actually pretty invasive. Let's see. This is sorrel. Sorrel, and it's got a kind of citrusy green